What is up, everybody? Welcome to another one of those Nuzlocks. Welcome back to Pokemon Yellow Nuzlocke. Pronus. Anyway, we did nothing. Just kidding, Rocker died in last episode's in Arrival. Shoot. I was not ready for Bubbles. No, I'm not struggling. I'm not struggling. I said that. I said that. I said that. Why? Okay. Anyway, Bubbles wants to fight. You wanna go, Bubbles? You will die. Whoa, level 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. That's the level of DJ Rap. Oh, I forgot to bring potions. He's going to kill me. He's going to kill me. And he kills me. Nice, Pikachu. He did nothing. Shoot. Come on, Pikachu. Come on, Spearow. Die, please. Come on, DJ Rap. Please. Pretty please. Yes. Critical hit. I can't switch out to anybody else. There's nobody else to switch into. They're all too weak. Oh, 15. Thank you. You're still hitting that DJ Rap. Nice. Oh, I don't switch out soon. But he's still hitting. Wow. Hurt? No. Hit. Nice. Next, this is Eevee, maybe? I hope it's his Abra. Red is Abra. Oh no. Oh shoot. I did not come here for bird. Wow. This might be the end. No, it couldn't be actually. DJ Rap is too powerful for everybody. Man, DJ Rap carrying the team. But yet, another defeat. Wow. Man, I am a bad Pokemon. Man. Well, I had a good time with Pikachu. Looks like I probably will use Jolteon in this Let's Play. Rather as if we even get that far. Wow, Eevee is a tank. Wow. Well, not now because we got a critical. Wow. DJ Greg is going to have to carry this team. Poison Sting. Yes. I'm absolutely positive. You killed my Pikachu. I started walking. You will never walk with me again. You will never walk with me again. Wow. That was mean. Wow. Well, I'm using it to store my but another Pokemon. After Pikachu survived that long time. That long time. And then he died from a 3 swipes. What are the chances? I never thought a starter would die that fast. No, yet again. We have 5 Pokemon. It happened last time. And since he rap was on the team, then we got someone. I don't know who. Oh yeah. Your grandma girl. Anyway, we can't just say how we're lost. We have to deposit him. No, not Keith. The one and only Eat. He was a good guy. Let's look at his stats one more time. You will be remembered. Anyway. Oh. Anyway. Let's say goodbye. Can't release Pikachu. Wow. I'm sorry, Pikachu. Dang it. You were so good. Now I feel bad about Pikachu. He makes depressing noises. Anyway, here we go, Nugget Bridge. Well, Bobby, let's try. I think you got what it takes. Yes, I do. I should have taken him on next time. Anyway, I'll defeat him. Well, let's take on Nugget Bridge next episode. Next episode, we'll be taking on Nugget Bridge. Yeah, see you next time.